Instacart, you're gonna lose a lot of money. I'm telling you right now, because everybody's watching this video, Instacart. Look, if you don't fix this, at least in this area, everybody's trying to get lower ratings. That means nobody cares about customer quality anymore. Nobody cares about the quality. Everybody's just banging out orders as fast as they can. They don't care about the replacements. They don't care if they smushing bread. They don't care if they cracking eggs. They don't care out here. You know why? Because the people with lower ratings are seeing bigger orders. You better fix it, Instacart. You better fix it. I'm just a messenger. I'm just a messenger. People wanna ride my wave. By the way, with everything I've been putting out, I've never been banned from any stores at all. Man. And actually, I've made a lot of Instacart shoppers money. A ton of people have made life-changing money from what I've been showing and sharing. And I mean, I'm not taking the credit for that. This is what they say to me. I'm not gonna show you guys how to get notifications and then not get the notifications after I show you guys how to get the notifications. When I showed you guys how to get the notifications with 2 phones, you seen all the notifications I was getting while I was showing you guys how to get them. This is what me and my boys do here. There's gonna be glitches, and there's ways to get around the system and figure out some of these glitches. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at us. We figuring out some glitches. Ain't no illegal hacks. It ain't nothing. We got 1 account. We got 2 phones, right? We have 2 phones. We a businessman. Once again, you don't sign into 2 phones at once. You sign into 1 phone and you get a notification. Then you sign out and you sign into an Android or another iPhone. And you're gonna continue to get the notifications on this because it's a glitch until Instacart fits it. Everything I say, Instacart ends up fixing it. I mean, I said, look at the auto swipe, and now we all got clicks. I even know how to get accounts reactivated. If your account got deactivated, I know how to get it reactivated. But I'm not gonna say that here. You know why? Because Instacart is gonna stop it. Anything I say, they're gonna stop. That's why I'm trying to show these types of things so they can fix the app for everybody. Right? So hopefully they fix the app. Hopefully they hear me, right? Because whenever I say hacks or glitches or something that can possibly make us more money, they fix that really quick. The money you make with Instacart, true, facts. You do want to invest the money, right? Make investments. I have a company. We buy real estate. I got a team. I got some boys. Me and my boys, we invest our money in other stuff. But you want to make your money work for you. That's the idea. I've been telling people this for the longest time. Do not live off of Instacart money. Instacart money is just a tool to make you more money in the future. A lot of these people on here that y'all watch, they need YouTube. They need the revenue. It's just another revenue stream for them. So when you see people riding my wave, they just want those views, really. When you see people riding my waves, they want views. And I can't knock them. You know what I'm saying? They got their little arguments and stuff. It's all love. It's all love for me. Look, I don't hate. I appreciate. Just notice that a lot of these YouTubers, they really need the revenue from YouTube. I don't need the revenue from YouTube. That's why I take days off, months off, weeks off. Like, I just like having fun. I like being exciting. I like giving out my vibes, man. That's when I do YouTube. I'm not some big baller. I'm not some millionaire. I'm not none of that. One day I will be, hopefully, God's willing, right? But a lot of these people, they need the revenue from YouTube. So you're gonna see a lot of people ride this wave. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Back to the video. 4.94 and 5-star. 5-star doesn't see anything yet. 4.9 sees a $12 batch. I'm gonna prove it to you. Look, 4.94, 4.94. Ready? Go back to the batch. You see, oh, they see batches. This one doesn't. And look, 5-star. Look, nothing for 5-star and 4. Oh, it finally popped up. Oh my God, 5-star is in the 2nd or 3rd group. 4.94 is in the 1st group. We're in the same location. These are the same phones. One's just a Pro Max and one is a Pro. That's it. Good morning, team. Run it up. I just wanted to show you guys something. Listen, I'm not company bashing. I'm not a company basher. Look, finally, look. It just showed just to show you there's no restrictions on this account. It just showed this batch now. It just showed the batch. Why is 5-star on the 3rd second, third, or fourth group to receive batches. Why is this? Instacart, you blew up my YouTube channel, to be honest. Like, so I would wish everything was amazing with Instacart, but this is just bullcrap. It's a lie. How is that possible, Instacart? But you guys say rating and location is how you become in the first group. How is that possible? Why are you lying? That's my question. Please, Instacart, why are you lying? Hey, quick uppity date. We in Costco. 6'3", what's poppin'? Chillin', how you doing? Good to see you too. Yeah, we in Costco. We got a 63. Look how many items. 2 orders. 63. Most shoppers won't do this. Most shoppers won't do this. But Tatvar will, you know why? Because I'm not like anybody else. I'm getting the money. This might be my last Instacart video. Yo, nah, I'm just playing. I'm gonna keep running it up for y'all. But look, I need everybody to go follow my other social medias. I'm gonna be posting a lot of daily content on those social medias. It's TikTok, Tatvar Did It, and my Instagram, which is Instagram, Tatvar Did It. Also, go follow my other channel. It's almost at 1,000 subscribers, and we're gonna drop bangers on there. Well, we're gonna drop crazy videos. I just hope they're gonna be bangers, because I might pull up in a tank on Tatvar Did It. So go subscribe to Tatvar Did It below the video and my socials. Send me videos of your Instacart crazy batches, all that stuff. If you did an outstanding day, don't send me no day. Don't send me no $100 day. Don't send me no $100 day. Send me like banger days. If you got a crazy day, send it to me. I'm gonna try to get you on the channel so we can do interviews and stuff. Everybody can see. You can explain everything. Send your crazy batches. If you get like 100 cases of water, 50 cases of water, like I did 50 cases of water. If y'all haven't seen that video. But anyways, that being said, subscribe to my socials. Hit me up on my socials if any of that stuff pops up in your area, so we can, you know, possibly get on the channel and have some fun. The phone on the right is 4.94. The phone on the left is 5 stars. Okay, 4.94 on the right, 5 stars on the left. Look at this, $14 on this side. Look, nothing on this side. Wow. Wow. Boom. Then it pops up. It just popped up late. Oh my goodness. Instacart. This is the 5-star phone. Why is the 4.9 seeing this batch first? Why? We're in the same spot. 4.9. 5-star.